Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the comparison of Sora and Pika Labs. Sora versus Pika Labs, the ultimate AI video generator showdown. Sora or Pika Labs, which AI video tool should you choose? We're breaking it down in a few seconds because we need you to pick the perfect tool for your next viral video. So let's go. When it comes to video quality, Sora has Hollywood level realism, 4K cinematic visuals, while Pika Labs has stylized, cartoonish, great for social media. So the winner, Sora if you want realism, and Pika if you want creativity. When it comes to video length, Sora allows you to do up to 1 minute and even potentially longer. When it comes to Pika Lab, it is about less than 15 seconds maximum. So for this, we definitely can say that Sora is the winner. When it comes to ease of use, Sora has steeper learning curve. It's like pro level, while Pika Labs is super simple and beginner friendly. Definitely Pika Labs wins. When it comes to pricing, Sora has closed better, likely you're going to have to pay for that, while Pika Labs has the free plan plus a $10 per month plan starter tier. So when it comes to winner, definitely Pika for now. When it comes to customization, advanced control, lighting, angles, and stuff like that, you have that under Sora. While font templates, Pika effects, and quirky edits, you have it under Pika Labs. So it's a tie, depending on what actually ones you need. If you need advanced control like lightning angles, just go for Sora. If you need font templates and effects, go for Pika Labs. Lastly, what are they best for? Sora is best for films, ads, and high-end projects, while Pika Labs is best for social media, quick content, and memes. So if you're a pro, go for Sora. Then if you're a creator, just simply go for Pika. So after examining this, I would say choose Sora if you need blockbuster quality AI videos when it launches, and pick Pika, Pika, pick Pika for fast, affordable, and playful content today. So which AI sidekick are you teaming up with? Drop your pick in the comments, smash like if this helped, and subscribe for more tech showdowns, and go make something amazing. See you in the next video.